And we now need a particle system to hold it. So right click here and go to new particle system. No, not that. New particle system. Here we go. The group is going to be particle. And the name is going to be gun particle. No full on that. Gun particle. Okay, oh, and make sure you have particle system next to the factory here so it knows that it is a particle system. This will open Cascade Editor. I'm only going to explain what I do in this tutorial. There are other tutorials and videos that go into all 4 windows in more depth than I will be going into. So if you have trouble following along, you may want to check one of those out before continuing with this. Anyway, we're going to start with the emitter itself. We're going to rename it to gun particle, just to keep ourselves organized for now. Okay, and we do not want this default cross material, so we're going to go to our required module and change it. You come into the content browser and pick the material, not the texture, the material, and then click on this green button here next to material, and it will grab the material we have selected here in a minute. There we go. So here we have our particle. We are making a weapon particle, which is a bit different from the standard particles, in the fact that it's not really going to be moving all that much within this editor. So I'm going to start by disabling initial velocity here by unchecking it there, and it's now stopped moving. You can also right-click and delete module, but that's unnecessary. I'm going to leave it there for now. So we zoom in, and it's pretty boring right now, so we're going to change a few things. Under spawn here, we are going to leave it at a standard 20 per second, 20 particles per second. That's a good rate for this. But we are going to change its lifetime from 1 second down to 0.1 seconds. Okay, now you can see it's clearly doing something. It's flashing in and out, but that's still kind of boring. Let's adjust this initial size setting. It's currently spawning at 25 units. Let's make it spawn between 20 and 25 units. Now you can tell it's kind of pulsing in and out as it's flickering. It's cooler, but we can do a bit more. We're going to add some rotation to it, and that is not in any of these modules right now. So we right-click in this area and find rotation, initial rotation. And luckily for us, its initial settings of minimum 0, maximum 1 rotation are exactly what we want, so we're not going to change any of that. But now you can tell it's kind of doing more than it was before. The last thing for this one, we're going to color it. We're not going to use this one. We're actually turn this one off. We don't want it right now. And that will make it disappear. Don't worry about that for now. We're going to fix that in a second. We go to color, and I'm going to use parameter color, and it's back. So if we go into parameter color and this default color section, we can now change what color it is. Like this. And OK.